Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream only with milk. First, gather your simple ingredients: 2 cups of whole milk, half a cup of sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. You'll also need a freezer-safe container, like a loaf pan or a shallow dish. This easy method doesn't require any fancy equipment, just a little patience and a freezer. Now let's combine everything. In a bowl, whisk together the 2 cups of whole milk, half a cup of sugar, and that small pinch of salt. Stir until the sugar is fully dissolved. This is important for a smooth texture. Once mixed, pour this liquid into your freezer-safe container. Make sure it's spread evenly for consistent freezing. Next, place your container in the freezer. After about 45 minutes to 1 hour, the edges should start to freeze. Take it out and stir the mixture vigorously with a fork or whisk, breaking up any ice crystals. Return it to the freezer and repeat this stirring process every 30 minutes for the next 3 to 4 hours. This step is key for creamy ice cream. After several rounds of stirring, let your ice cream freeze undisturbed for a final 2 hours to firm up completely. Once ready, scoop out your homemade, creamy ice cream and enjoy this simple, delightful treat. It's amazing what you can create with just a few basic ingredients. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Stay refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.